do a hard start. Okay, I'm gonna tell you to the tree. Keep eating together because this is good. So this is the area. This is the kitchen, and then this is my study table, and then this is daddy's garage. This is the CR. You can open up the light. The second CR has one of this. That's why. And then we just need the get that in, and we'll just need the hot second. This is the area where my dad cooked chicken. Okay, let's go. This is the hanging area. This is the laundry room. That's the sink. Okay. This is Nino Jigi's bed. This is my bed. This is the Sira Ilaw. So we need to go up and get it like that. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. I only did it for 60. Bye.